FoxBody shows I will be attending. Oh, this is really gonna hurt. A Chocolate Fox, Ford Takeover, Mustang. We got in trouble for filming. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and we're going to talk today about which FoxBody shows I will be attending this year. Actually, they're not just all FoxBody shows. Some of them are Ford shows. But anyway, we're going to get into that, maybe even show you a sneak preview of the shows as well. But first, we're running behind. We gotta get somewhere, so come along with me real quick. Actually, before I go, there is one more thing I forgot about that I have to do. And yeah, in case you guys missed it, I have to put this on Tar Heel Fox. So you can see they're not the same color blues. This blue does not match that blue. Oh. In case you don't know why, I'll throw in this quick clip.
If Carolina wins tonight, he has to wear a Gearhead 704 shirt. And if Duke wins, he's gonna get me a magnet or something, and the next time the Fox is actually running, Tar Heel Fox is running, I'll let him put it on there.
You gonna put it on in the garage.
So yeah, Harris won, obviously, although it took like a buzzer beater to do it. But anyway, he won, so Harris, I am paying off the bet right now. Oh, this is really gonna hurt. Oh, no, there it is. Oh, no, oh. Oh, guys, I just don't, can't take it. I can't take it. Oh, all right. There you go, Harris, bet paid off. Okay. Anyway, now let's go ahead and hit the road. Okay, as you can see, I'm still at the airport, obviously. And yes, I do want to fill you in on the first show that I'm going to be at. It is the Chocolate Fox, but I'm going to do that at the hotel because I've already gotten in trouble for filming. I was actually filming on the plane, just going into the plane because I thought it'd be cool for a time lapse, and they're like, shut off the camera. So anyway, YouTube for life. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys at the hotel. All right, and we are in the hotel. I am wearing a different shirt. That's because this is actually a couple days later. I'm actually out here for a work conference. I'm in San Francisco. But yeah, this is my hotel room. I mean, nothing special really. So let's go ahead and talk about what shows I'm gonna come to this year. And the first show is the Chocolate Fox coming up in May. That's the first major show. If you don't know what the Chocolate Fox is, I'll have just a short summary of all the different shows I'm going to right at the end of the video. But Chocolate Fox is put on by Matt and Jen at Fox Mustang Restoration. I do plan to go. However, I have a couple of family problems. I have two family problems. So the Friday night of the Chocolate Fox, that Friday, my sister is actually graduating from college. Obviously, I want to attend that. Very next day at like 7 o'clock at night, my daughters, I have two daughters as well, and they are both in a recital. So I'm gonna need a dance recital. And that starts at 7. So here's the plan, guys. Actually going to fly up for Chocolate Fox Friday night, be there for Saturday, most of Saturday, and then fly back. I will not have a car there. That's why if you've been hearing me talk about Ford Takeover and having the SSP ready for that, That's the goal right now. I know it's not going to be ready for the May show. And the June show, we'll see. I mean, it's going to be a bit of a stretch for that too, but that's the goal. I want to have the SSP at Ford Takeover, which is a nice transition into Ford Takeover. Now, I attended that event last year. Last year it was in May. It's in June this year. And it was such a great event for me. I mean, it was the first time I met other YouTubers like Foxcast Media, Brutal Vlog, Speed Addict 731. I met G-Funk Express out there before he even really started the channel, Pony 1992. And so it was just an awesome time for me to be able to get out there, get some exposure, obviously on those channels, but also meet those guys and feel more like a community. I absolutely love that event. I definitely encourage you guys to come out if you're not sure what it's about. Again, I'll have a video at the end that Caleb, Foxcast Media, gave to me to actually show the event. It's in his videos, but if you haven't seen it, here it is in mine. And my car is featured in that, which is pretty awesome. I do love that part. So yeah, I'm definitely coming to Ford Takeover. Now, I plan on bringing the SSP there, but worst case scenario, if I don't have the SSP there, I'll just do the same thing I'm doing for Chocolate Fox. Fly there, you know, spend a few days. I'll be spending a longer time there, obviously, no matter what, and then fly back. Also, the other thing about Ford Takeover that's gonna be kind of interesting is it's my, I'm turning 40 right around that time. I'm finally hitting the big 4-0, guys. But anyway, yeah, that's the plan for Ford Takeover. Now let's talk about the next show, which will actually be something I've never been to before, and people like to call it Mustang Week. Oh! They actually give you these bouncing balls here, workout balls, I guess, or something. But anyway, yeah, the other event I will be at is Mustang Week, and I've never been to Mustang Week, and it's in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. It's in September, and it's supposed to be an absolutely awesome event. Now, I planned to go last year, but a hurricane came through and kind of messed things up at Myrtle Beach, and that's why we ended up having Stampede After the Storm, actually, you know, set up by Speed Addict 731, Pony 1992, Fox Mustang Restoration, and myself kind of helped out with that event as well. But that was an awesome time, but Mustang Week is supposed to be like way, way, way better. My friend Harris Lou Creative, he sets up something called Retro Meet there. Yeah, an awesome time. I do plan to be there now. I think that probably I'll bring the SSP there as well. I doubt Tar Heel Fox will be done by then, but maybe, because we are talking from June to September. There's a chance Tar Heel Fox can make it to Mustang Week. But if not, I really want it to make it to this last event, which I'm gonna go ahead and fill you in on. And the last event, the ultimate event of the year to me, is Foxtoberfest. And it's right in my hometown, right in Charlotte. It actually has a new location this year, but I'm really looking forward to that event. This will be like my 5th time there, but the first few times, you know, obviously I wasn't doing YouTube. I do have the last 2 years that I've gone when I was doing YouTube, which is kind of cool, but absolutely my favorite event that I've ever gone to. I'm just nothing but FoxBodies, guys. FoxBodies, FoxBodies, FoxBodies. It'll be interesting to see if Chocolate Fox actually puts out more or not, but yeah, that's in October. The location has changed this year, guys. It's in a different location, which that's been announced, so if you guys aren't aware of that, definitely check out Fox Resto's site. They have a link for it. I'll have links to all these events down in the description below, so if you want to get more info on these events, definitely check that out. Just a lot of people don't check the description, guys, but there's a lot of good information down there. At least I usually try to put good information down there. Anyway, yeah, that's it. That's the show schedule. And coming up right now is I'll have a little teaser for each show in case you don't know about it. So we're gonna start with Chocolate Fox, Ford Takeover, Mustang Week, and then we'll end with Foxtoberfest. So take a look at those and I'll be right here back with you guys.
Hey, I am here with Jen, and I am really curious because I love Foxtoberfest. I loved going this last time, but I hear there's something new coming up this year.
Yeah, absolutely. So Foxtoberfest is an all Fox show, as a lot of you know, that we host here in North Carolina. But we're actually launching a new show that's an all Fox show also, that's called the Chocolate Fox, because we're hosting it in Hershey, Pennsylvania, which is Chocolate Town, USA. And so
that makes me hungry.
People did ask me, will there actually be chocolate? So yes, there will be chocolate there. And so that's gonna happen on May 9th of 2020, so less than 90 days from today. Yeah, so it's coming up really fast, so if you have a project that you're working on, you're gonna wanna get moving on that thing because we don't have much time. It's less than 12 weekends until the show. So May 9th, 2020, we're doing a kickoff party at Newfangled Brew Works, which is awesome. It's a great space. They have a big parking lot. They're really excited to have us. And they'll also be there on Saturday. at the show. They're bringing their smoker, they make barbecue, they're also bringing their brews out for Saturday, so we're really excited to partner with them. That's going to be Friday night, May 8th from 5 to 8. We'll be at their facility, that's actually in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, which is only 12 minutes from the museum. Oh, and the Chocolate Fox itself is going to be at the AACA Museum in Hershey. It is a beautiful facility. It's a Smithsonian affiliate, so they're the level of that museum is you know, just like a Smithsonian museum. It's really, yeah, it's really well displayed. They have different exhibits all the time. So we got to tour it a couple of weeks ago when we went up there, and it was top notch. So we're really excited for them to have our event there, to be our venue, and it's a beautiful like rolling hills, like all these foxes on all this property is gonna look gorgeous, and there's like this big building up at the top. Like it's top notch. We're excited.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that actually sounds really good. I know that Matt is really wanting to get there. I don't know if he's gonna have a working FoxBody to have present, but I know that he doesn't want to miss it at all. And I hope that you guys don't miss it.
Your registration for the Chocolate Fox does come with admission to the museum. So
that's great.
So
two for one.
Exactly, exactly. So registration is $35 to have your car in the show, and that, like I said, that includes the museum ticket. And then if you pre-register online, which you can do that at chocolatefoxshow.com. You can also register on site, and that's $40.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So make sure, if you want to save yourself even a little bit of money, pre-register. Thank you so much, Jen.
Yeah,
and
thank
I
you.
know all the work that you've put into Foxtoberfest is only just going to make Chocolate Fox just outstanding.
Yeah, and we've gotten a really amazing response. I mean, we knew that people would be excited about this, but it is just blown our minds, like how excited the Northeast is to have their own all-Fox show, the Chocolate Fox. So we're excited to come and see you guys and bring you into our Fox community.
Alright, so that is going to do it, guys. You can see what I did to my hotel room here. The table was over there. That ball was somewhere else. And yeah, I moved all kinds of stuff around. But sometimes you got to do what you got to do for a video. I am planning to come to all those events, like I said, Chocolate Fox, Ford Takeover, Mustang Week, and finishing up with Foxtoberfest. So hopefully you guys can make it out to one of those events. If you can, definitely come by and say hi. I'd love to meet you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. SSP and the Tar Heel Fox, I'm planning to try to get those both out to events this year. We'll see if that happens, but you can definitely follow those builds on the channel. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704. I'm so sorry.